everyone. Welcome back to another client testimonial Saturday here at My Tiles, where we bring you real stories from real homes being built with love and tiles. Hello.
Hey.
Welcome to My Tiles.
Thank you.
Can you please tell us your name and where you come from?
I'm Deepak.
I'm Menaka.
Nice to meet you.
We come from an interior firm. We have our own interior firm by name Creative Eye,
Okay.
which is based out in Kalyan Nagar.
So how did you get to know about My Tiles?
We were passing by for one of our site visits almost a year back, and that's a time where we could see the huge facilities of yours of My Tiles, and that was the time where we could not make an entry, but then post which we googled out, and then we could see your Instagram and Facebook and social media.
So how's your experience been selecting tiles at My Tiles?
Experience here has always been nice. I think we would have visited a couple of times, and every time I come with my client to help them select, I always end up feeling like I want to redo my house with some of these beautiful tiles. And trust me, I have never seen so many options available. I've been to many places, but then you guys have a lovely collection here.
So would you recommend My Tiles to your friends and family?
Surely, we would love to do this because we'll be pretty happy where my friends, my colleagues, my family would be happy to come here, love to visit you. Then they get their best for their homes, and we'll be feeling proud of about it.
Undoubtedly, we will.
Can you please tell us about the selections that you've done and where you're planning to use them?
Sure. This, of course, we have looked at for the kitchen area,
Okay.
and this particular one, which is like a Moroccan tile, we have a walkway which is coming in the living area.
Yes.
So the entire area is like off-white kind of a tile. So we just want to highlight the center portion
Okay.
with this. And these two tiles, we have about 4 to 5 plain walls. So we were just thinking, like, instead of a wallpaper, since there's a lovely collection here, we could not stop ourselves from selecting this. So we'll be going with this this tile with a wall which is about 5 by 9.
Okay.
And the other one we have chosen for the dining area.
Okay, lovely.
So the back of the dining wall, which is almost like, I think, 8 by 9. So we plan to use that tile which fills up the entire wall. And then since we can match the furniture along with it, and I can already imagine that it looks beautiful with this.
Do you think that our sales team helped you well in selecting the tiles of your choice?
Absolutely, she was really helpful. I mean, though she was very busy with multiple people, but then she showed us exactly what we wanted, and we kept repeating, taking her from there and here and there, but then she was really helpful.
Run all over the place, and you still see the smiling face on her, not getting bugged. Though we are going to buy, we are not going to buy, but then she was there the entire, the visitor pass.
Yes.
And Kalpana is awesome.
Thank you so much for visiting My Tiles.
Thank you.
so much.
It was a wonderful
It's a
experience.
pleasure.
If you're building or renovating, drop by at the My Tiles Experience Center.